Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might save your digital life. How to recover a deleted Telegram account in 2025. Whether you accidentally hit that delete button or changed your mind after saying goodbye to your chats, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you need to understand that Telegram has specific rules for account recovery. As of 2025, if you deleted your account recently, you might still have a window to recover it. But remember, Telegram permanently deletes accounts after a certain period, usually around a month, so act fast. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your phone or log in via the website. If you're using the app, go to the Settings menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Look for Account or Privacy and Security. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Once you're in the settings, check for an option like Deleted Account Recovery. In 2025, Telegram might have updated its interface, but you should see a prompt to verify your identity. Enter your registered phone number or email address that was linked to the account. Telegram will send a verification code to that number or email. Make sure it's the same one you used originally. Step 3. After entering the code, follow the on-screen instructions. This could involve resetting your password or confirming your recovery. If everything goes smoothly, your account should be restored, complete with your chats, contacts, and media. But if you run into issues, like if too much time has passed, don't panic. Step 4. Head over to Telegram's support page on their website. Submit a recovery request with details about your account, including your phone number and any linked email. Provide as much information as possible to speed things up. In 2025, Telegram's support is pretty responsive, but it might take a few days. A quick tip. Always back up your important chats before deleting an account. Use Telegram's export feature to save your data. And remember, prevention is better than cure. Double check before you delete. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted Telegram account. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.